Hello there, this is Rahil from All About Affiliate Marketing. In today's video, we will talk about the affiliate program of Lego. So let me take you to the website, which is lego.com. For the ones who don't know about them, Lego is one of the world's most iconic toy brands, known for its construction brick sets, educational toys, collectibles, and licensed products based on franchises such as Star Wars, Marvel, Harry Potter, Disney, and more. LEGO products appeal to children, parents, hobbyists, collectors, and educators worldwide. So, what are you waiting for? Come to the website, explore all about them, and if you want to buy something for yourself, or your kids, or anyone that you prefer, go ahead and do that. But that's not exactly why we are here, and you guessed it right. We are here to earn money from LEGO. How do we do that? We simply join the affiliate program, start promoting them to our audience, to our traffic, and when we bring sales to them, we end up receiving commission. So affiliates from which country can join the affiliate program and to the consumers of which country can they promote in order to receive commission. No restrictions found. So regardless of your country as an affiliate, you can apply to be a part of the affiliate program. About the consumers, you would only be able to receive commission if you're bringing sales to them from supported Lego markets worldwide. And we shall talk about those markets soon. Now, how do you sign up for the affiliate program? For that, let me take you to the website called Sovereign Commerce. Now, what is Sovereign Commerce and what does that have to do with LEGO? Sovereign Commerce is one of the top affiliate marketing networks out there. What is an affiliate marketing network? They work as a mediator between brands and affiliates. That means if you want to join the affiliate program of different brands out there, you must join the respective affiliate marketing network. So in our case, if you want to join the affiliate program of LEGO, you must join Sovereign Commerce as an affiliate. Now, Someone Commerce calls affiliates as publishers and brands as advertisers, so don't get confused. How do you sign up with Someone Commerce? For that, once you're on the website, I'm going to mention the link in the video description. So once you're here on the website, you can hover over sign up, click on it, and do the sign up. Now, while you understand there are many nuances involved when doing the sign up with any affiliate marketing network out there, so don't you worry, I got you covered. I recently have created a video on how to create and use Sovereign Commerce affiliate account. You'll find the link in the video description. Click on the link, follow the instructions from there, and get yourself a free Sovereign Commerce affiliate account. Once you have an affiliate account with them, simply come to the website once again, hover over sign in, and click on Commerce. It will take you to the login screen, enter your credential, and then it will take you to something called Affiliate Dashboard. Now, this is the place where you would be able to find the affiliate program of different brands as well, but we will keep the focus of our video on the affiliate program of Lego only. To find the affiliate program, you click on Commerce, and from Commerce, you click on Merchants. It will take you to Preferred Merchant section. Over here, you can click on Merchants, and within the search bar, you can start typing Lego, followed by an Enter. It will show you the list, and from the list of those advertisers or brand, you will be able to see Lego. You can click on their hyperlink and it will open up the affiliate program overlay window of Lego. Over here, you can look at the commission rate. You can expect to receive between 1.36% to 6% commission. And depending on the country you're bringing sales from, the commission rate would differ. So let's say if you click on all countries and from here you search for United States, and if you click on United States, you'll be able to say you'll get between 2 to 6% commission. So like this, you can select the country to understand how much commission rate you can expect. And if you click on network rates, you'll be able to see the bifurcation of this commission rate. So you can expect 2% on default payout and 6% on commission on all goods. So this is just quick definition of how much commission you can expect for what. Similar to this, if you search for any other country, let's say United Kingdom, you will see the commission rate accordingly. So this is how you can learn about the commission rates. And if you select all country, we would be able to see all the domains that you are okay to promote them. So let's select all countries. And if you scroll down, if you click on domains, you would be able to see the domain for which you can create a tracking link. More on it later. And if you click on countries, you'll be able to see the list of the countries. And if you are bringing sales to Lego from the consumers of any of these countries, you should be able to receive commission based on the commission rate defined here and of course within network rates. And if you scroll down, if you click on description, you can learn a bit about them. Now, let's say you read it all and you want to start promoting them. Well, that's the beauty of Someone Commerce. In any other affiliate network, you first have to apply, you have to wait, and once you get the approval, only then you can promote them. However, once you are part of Someone Commerce, you can literally promote any brand that you find in here. Like this, we can promote Lego as well. Let's say we want to promote Lego. We can't just take any link from the website. We have to use or we have to create tracking link. So how do you create your tracking link? For that, simply click on create a link and choose your site name from here and mention the product URL. Let's say I want to create a tracking link for the homepage. I'm going to copy that. I'm going to put the link in here. It will quickly verify whether it's eligible. As you can see, it's eligible. I can give it a name here. So Lego website, and then I can click on create. What it will do, it will create a tracking link for me and it will copy it to my clipboard. If I paste the link, I would be able to see the tracking link. So this link, I can share it with my audience, with my traffic, and if someone would click on it, if they buy something, I'll get the commission. And all your tracking links that you have created like this, you'll be able to see if you click on create within links. So over here, all your created links will be available. You have an option to directly edit the link from here, or you can click on share link and copy the tracking link from here. So this is how you can create your tracking link and of course, get it and share it with your audience, with your traffic. Alright, so you learn how to find the affiliate program of Lego and how to create your tracking link. The next question arises, where can you promote them? The many ways, still I'm going to cover a few. One way is website or blog. Doesn't matter whatever kind of website or blog you have, you can promote them anywhere on your website or other blog. Maybe on the homepage, maybe on the category page. On blog, you could write blog posts about different products available on Lego and put your tracking link with the blog post that could work in your favor. Apart from it, you might want to create content surrounding Lego set reviews or maybe toy recommendations or gift guides. Then you got social media. On social media, you might want to focus on Instagram, maybe create reels on different products available on Lego and share your tracking link. You also got TikTok. On TikTok, maybe you can create toy related content. And on Facebook, you might want to focus on targeting parenting groups and share your tracking link. Of course, you want to create content targeting this audience, and along with your content, you can share your tracking link. Then you also got toy website. Now, come on, people come to these kind of websites to buy different toys, correct? So let's say as an affiliate, you have such a website available. In that case, you might want to feature the product links available on Lego directly to your toy website. This way, if they'll come to your website, if they like the product, they'll click on it, they buy to get commission. Apart from it, websites like parenting website or maybe collectible website or hobby website could be good here as well. As an affiliate, if you have such a website, you might want to feature Lego on those websites or maybe their products. So these are some of the ways that you can promote Lego. But there's a problem that almost all the affiliates face, and that is, how do you bring the right traffic that actually buy the products? So I got some top 3 traffic sources for Lego that could help you in getting the right traffic that actually convert to sales. So the first source that I feel like is better is YouTube. So on YouTube, you might want to create content on Lego reviews or maybe speed builds, like, the toy set available on Lego, just speedily build it and create content surrounding it. Or maybe you might want to have a toy channel and talk about different toys available on Lego and put your tracking link with your content. This could work in your favor. Then you got Google SEO. So whatever content you are creating, ensure you're keeping it SEO friendly, especially Google SEO friendly. You might want to target keywords like Lego reviews, gift guides, or toy recommendations. Finally, you got Pinterest. So on Pinterest, you might want to post things related to gift ideas, educational toys, or family activities, and put your tracking link with those pins. That could work in your favor too. So these are some of the ways you could get the great traffic that would actually go to Lego or your website, depending on you, if you want to share your tracking link directly or if you want to redirect them to online presence before they go to Lego. It's up to you. But point is, these sources could help you in getting better traffic. Now, let's say you started bringing traffic to Lego, you started bringing sales to them. Where would you see your performance? For that, you can come to the Someone Commerce dashboard once again. I mean, the affiliate dashboard. Once here, click on Commerce, and this time click on Analytics and Overview. Once here, you can apply different dates, different filters, and you'll be able to see your revenue, sales, clicks, earning per clicks, and of course, other details like your top content, top merchants, I mean the advertisers or brands. Similar to this, you can click on content to see your content report or click on revenue to see your revenue generation. Let's see if we click on revenue, we get to see revenue, clicks, sales, conversion rate. If I click on any of this, I get to see the trend. I can apply different dates for content to be available here accordingly. Similar to that, I can see merchant performance, content performance, link performance, or merchandise performance. So this is how you can check your performance. The next question arises, how can you receive your commission? So all the accumulated commission that you'll be able to see as revenue, you can expect to receive it from Sovereign Commerce. But in order for you to receive it, you must update your payment method. And to update your payment method, you can look at the bottom left-hand side, click on this avatar icon. From here, you can click on payment. It will take you to this section and within the address step. Once you're in the address step, you can give your address and personal details. Followed by that, you can click on next. Then it will take you to the payment method step where you can pick any of these payment method. If you go with local bank transfer or wire transfer, you have to give your banking details. Check, you have to give the related details. Otherwise, you can go with PayPal and give your PayPal related email. Let's say if I go with PayPal, I can give my payment currency and email address. That should be fine. And then you can click on next. You can select the text form in the next step and then click on next and finally you're done. So that's how you can update your payment method and expect to receive commission from Sovereign Commerce. Now, all the payment that have ever been issued to you or will be issued to you, you would be able to see within payment history. Click on it to get that detail. Alright, so this is how you find the affiliate program of Lego. You start promoting them, start bringing sales to them, and start earning commission. And this brings us to the end of the video. I hope the video was helpful to you and helped you in learning all about the affiliate program of Lego. And as an affiliate, if you want to grow, if you want to learn better, there are some amazing resources that I have created for you that are free and as well as premium resources. You'll be able to find them in the video description. Get any that you prefer. In the meantime, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell icon so that any video I create like this, you get notified for the same. Thanks for watching.